Welcome and what is up there everybody, this is Casper with Casper Crypto, and in today's video we've got some huge Dogecoin news that just came out. Elon Musk is going to do something absolutely insane, which I think is going to pump the Dogecoin price very soon, and he's hinting at it. He's hinting so much at this stuff that it's crazy. I think that once this actually happens, we're going to go to the moon. Alright, so before we get into the video, I really appreciate you guys could smash that like button down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I really appreciate it a ton. So in today's video, we're going to be going over Dogecoin. We're going to be going over the important news that Elon Musk just released, and along with that, we're also going to do a little bit of price analysis, seeing where the price of Dogecoin could be heading in the next few days and in the next few hours. So let's get started. So currently, Dogecoin is at about 30.6 cents. It's down about 0.7% on the day. Nothing major. Basically just consolidating. And if you take a look at the last 7 days, we haven't had any major price movements. All we've been doing is just basically bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down, without any major breakouts in either direction. But if we scroll out to about the 1 month period, we can see that this is basically what's been going on for almost the entire month. So if we take a look, it's basically this pattern where it's staying at, this channel, has formed in about May 19th, May 20th. And ever since then, we've just been bouncing up the lows and highs of when we created those lows and highs in between like May 19th and May 20th. And right now, we're just not having a big price movement. But this huge amount of consolidation that's going on right here could be a signal that we're bound to blow up very soon, because oftentimes when there's a lot of consolidation, there's a lot of pressure building up and people are ready to jolt in either direction, and hopefully that direction is going to be an upwards direction for Dogecoin, but I could definitely see it going either way. Hopefully, like I said, it will go upwards. We got to keep Dogecoin strong, right? And what I'm going to be doing is definitely holding right now, and if we shoot upwards, I might actually buy some more, because that could be a signal we're breaking out and going up higher. Of course, this is just what I'm doing. It's not financial advice. Make sure to do your own due diligence and do your own research. But let's get into the news. All right, these news are pretty important about what's going on with Dogecoin and Elon Musk. So the first piece of news that's really important is Dogecoin transaction fees are going down significant amounts, confirmed by developers. So basically, what's going on, as you can see, confirmed by developers. But what's going on is that Dogecoin transaction fees are right now 0.001 for Dogecoin, and everyone's excited. The Doge developers are making it possible. Spread the good news. So basically, what's going on is that Dogecoin transaction fees are going lower and lower. But why is this important? Like, we're just trying to get Dogecoin to go up, right? Well, this is actually some major news, because if we want Dogecoin to be a global currency that's used all around the world, we need low transaction fees, because people don't want to be using Dogecoin like they're using Ethereum right now. You don't want to be paying $30 gas fees in order to send someone just, let's say you want to send someone $20. You're not going to pay $30 in fees to send them $20. What's the point of that, right? And Dogecoin is making a really good effort at making these transaction fees as low as possible in order to sustain that ability to become a global currency. And I know that Elon Musk is definitely going to push that as well. So if we take a look at the Elon Musk news right here, we can see that Elon Musk SpaceX will reportedly send space art to the moon and sell it through Dogecoin. So what's going on right here is that, all right, I'll read it through you. I'll read the most important parts for you guys from this article. In May, Elon Musk SpaceX secured a deal with the Canadian engineering firm Geometric Energy Corporation (GEC) to launch Dogecoin-based Doge 1 CubeSat to the moon. Now it transpires that the launch will include space art to be sold as NFTs via Dogecoin. And if I'm seeing this correctly, if these NFTs are sold via Dogecoin, that must mean that Elon Musk is signaling that basically smart contracts are going to be a thing for Dogecoin by this launch. And that's actually absolutely insane, because we've had some rumors about Dogecoin and Ethereum working together to create smart contracts for Dogecoin, all that kind of stuff. But if I'm seeing this correctly, if these Dogecoin NFTs are going to be sold via Dogecoin, that signals that we have these smart contracts that are confirmed to be a thing in the next few weeks and the next few months. So that's going to definitely improve the capabilities of Dogecoin and the possibilities of what we can actually do with it. just absolutely insane. We went from just an absolute meme coin that had no use case at all, just being a funny meme, to now having a possible global currency along with the ability to have smart contracts working on the platform, which is crazy. It's just crazy to think of that. So basically what's going on is that in the bid to further tie the worlds of art and the cryptocurrencies together, SpaceX and GC will be reportedly launching space art into space by securing it onto the CubeSat itself. The art itself comes in the form of space plaques courtesy of Geometric Labs and Geometric Gammon Corporation under the cryptocurrency token project Rho, Beta, Kappa, Gamma, and Chi. I don't know how to pronounce that, but basically what's going on is we're going to be launching these, well, not we, Elon Musk, the legend, is going to be launching these Dogecoin NFTs into space using Dogecoin as a form of payment for them. So that's crazy, awesome to see, but how is this going to affect the price of Dogecoin in the upcoming days and the next few hours? So, well, these news are actually pretty recent. If we take a look, it was just published, I don't know where it says when it was published. It says June 16th, so it was at least in the last 24 hours, at most, I mean at the last 24 hours. So this news hasn't really had a significant impact yet, but a lot of people don't realize how important some news are until they actually happen. So probably until the launch, people won't really recognize how important this stuff is. So if we take a look at the current price of Dogecoin to see where it could be heading soon, we're currently forming this sort of wedge pattern right here, as you can see, where we've just been bouncing from the resistance level to the support level, from the support to the resistance, back and forth, back and forth. And if we close out of this, if we like basically come out of this wedge pattern, this could signal that we're going in either direction. We're gonna have a spike in either direction. So for example, if we see some more movement, which I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little bit more movement like this, bouncing up to support and resistance. When we come close to the end of the wedge, let's say we break out, we might retest, and then we might go steadily up and up and up with Dogecoin price. And I wouldn't be surprised if this was one of the bigger catalysts towards Dogecoin heading to about the 44-cent resistance, which has been a very strong resistance that's been upheld multiple times. One time here, second time here, third time, and a fourth time. So I would expect Dogecoin to slow down right around that area. We could even break it and go up higher. But yeah, that's basically what I see Dogecoin could be doing very, very soon. But there's one more important thing that we need to take a look at, and that is the head and shoulders pattern that Dogecoin is forming. So if we take a look, since about the middle of April, we've been forming this huge head and shoulders pattern with Dogecoin price, and this is the neckline right here of the head and shoulders pattern. And why this is significant is that if we were to fall below this neckline and fall below it with major volume, and you can see the volume with these volume bars on the bottom here. If we were to see major red volume pop up on these on these bars on the bottom, that could signal that we could be breaking through this pattern soon. And we could be heading downwards for a way lower price Dogecoin than it is right now. But that is if and only if we break below that neckline. That's why I'm watching that very closely. I highly recommend you do so too. Of course, do your own research. It's not financial advice, but that's personally what I'm looking at. I'm just watching for this trend line to see if we break below the neckline or if we stay above it. Hopefully we stay above it and we could head up higher. And I'm also watching this wedge pattern right here to see if we see a break. And if we see a break, I will definitely be buying personally. Not saying you guys should. Make sure to do your own research, make your own decisions based on your own thoughts and actions. But yeah, basically that's what I'm looking for with Dogecoin, and I hopefully think that this is what's going to be going on. But you never know with the markets. You could only predict, have a good idea of what can happen, but not always an exact idea. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.